Hey guys, it's Crafty Cat. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I will be doing a brush pen review with these Tanmit brush pens. So let's get started. I'm starting off with a red brush pen, which I'm going in sort of rainbow order. So I'm just showing you the tip of the brush right here. So I'm going to be doing 3 lines, one thin, one medium, and one really thick line. And then I will show you the fine liner and how that works too. I'm kind of doing like a red, moving into the pinks and dark reds, light reds, those nice pink colors. So here I'm just testing out, and some of them were really good, and some of them I was kind of disappointed with. Like that pink at the top, for example, I really love that color and how it turned out. I also loved the third blue because it came out like a nice gradient from dark to light, and so did the blue above the purple. This green here, the tip was really smushed off. So I've had these markers for a while, and I don't know if it's just because I've been using it for a while, but it was really smushed off, and I really didn't like that color. But what was cool was the yellows. They turned out to be pretty vibrant, and so I finished all of the colors, and these are some colors that I really liked. So what I'm gonna do is kind of like draw them, and they were super gradient, how it goes down from dark to light or light to dark. I liked how they turned out, but what I'm gonna do is on the big space on the side, I'm going to draw like a box with them with a thick stroke and a thin stroke. Right here, that is what I'm basically doing, and I know that the colors don't really match, but those were the really good ones. So those were the colors that I ended up using. So the orange, I kind of went over it twice, as you can see right there. But comment down below which color you think was really good, and it just had a very nice effect. And once again, I'll leave the link in the description box below, and I hope you guys enjoy.